Welcome everybody. Welcome back to ClayDesk. Today I'm going to talk about how do you actually get technical support from AWS. Now, you may already know this, but before you start, be sure that you have at least a developer, business enterprise on-ramp, or enterprise support plan, right? So that you can receive one-on-one support from the technical engineers. So what you need to do is simply navigate to AWS support and then choose to create a case and select the technical option. And then from the drop down arrow, you can select you want technical support from, for example, for Amazon Linux, you could do so. And then of course, it'll walk you through simple steps as to what should be your subject, what do you want to describe the issue itself, whether it's a bug or any other support that you need. So you can then simply type in the box whatever that is required, and then finally you can simply say how do you want to be contacted, right? How they should get back to you, whether it's through a phone number or web or email or whatever, right? And that's it. You just have to submit and they'll give you a case number, and that's all you need to do. Hope this helps. Try it out. Thank you for watching. See you next time.